Hello and welcome to Wise Our World.
Wow!
Today we are going to be doing the compact column method for a subtraction sum.
Today's sum is 9,763 minus 1,231. First, you draw your place value columns. For this sum, you will need the thousands, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. First, you place 9,763 from left to right in the column. Next, you place 1,231 in the same way. To subtract it, you need to remember to subtract from right to left, not left to right, because you may have a remainder or need to exchange. So, 3 minus 1 is 2. Now do 60 minus 30, which is 30, because it's in the tens column. Next, do 700 minus 200, which is 500. And lastly, 9,000 minus 1,000, which is 8,000. Your answer now becomes 8,532.